Okay, so for this video, we just go ahead and we are going to hop right into these cheesesteak potatoes, okay? So let's go ahead and let's get started. So I started off by chopping up some russet some potatoes. Okay, and so I just chopped them up, cut them in half, or whatever you wanna, however you wanna chop them down. And I added some olive oil and some seasonings. Yes, that is a whole lot of garlic. We want these potatoes to have a whole lot of garlic. It's flavorful, and garlic is good for you. All right, so you're just gonna go ahead and mix it up, and I'm gonna pop these in the oven at 400 degrees and let them bake until they get soft. So in this skillet, I am going to go ahead and add some more olive oil, and then of course I am using the steakums. It's like my go-to for quick meals. So I'm just gonna add my steakums to the pan. And you guys, I think I'm using a whole box that comes with the 14. It says 14 steaks. All right, so I'm going to use some Worcestershire sauce. I always butcher that word. And then I just put some seasonings in as well and added my onions and orange bell peppers. Use whatever bell peppers you want, or don't use no bell peppers. Who cares? Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and mix it up until it cooks down and chop in and blah, 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 blah. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and to comment. Alright, so moving it out the way, my potatoes are just about done. These cooked about 30 minutes. I did go ahead and cover them in foil. Y'all didn't see that because I did that absolutely later on. I was like, let me cover these potatoes and kind of smother them so they can cook faster. So I'm using a knife just to make sure that they are nice and soft. And now I am just going to take some butter, some Land O'Lakes butter, the spreadable kind. It makes it easier. And just twist this around so it can melt in. And now I am going to cut some green onions because this is going to go on top of our meal just to make it look prettier and good for you too. Alright, you guys, so plating this up. It smells so good and delicious. First, I put the potatoes on the bottom, added the steak to the top, added some cheddar cheese, that is mild cheddar, and also some mozzarella and Parmesan mix. And put some steak sauce and the green onions on top, and also some jalapeno peppers because we like those, and some sour cream. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye.